Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your existing account on Paycom. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, just type in paycom.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Paycom website. Now, in order to log in to your existing account, simply click on the login option at the top section and you will see client employee as well as accountant section. Just click on whichever login is appropriate for you and then you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just go ahead and type in your client code followed by your username and then type in your password. Finally, you can click on the login button and you will be logged in to your account with Paycom. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Paycom. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.